first of all, I think a lot of us here, like, we just hate the term big data, but we're stuck with it because it's not a thing.
Yeah.
It's just a way of saying new stuff, but the technologies and the thoughts and the thinking and the newness of it, that's all real. It's just not a real thing. It's not one thing and everyone has 10 different definitions of it on the same day. But things like being able to apply this to, things like energy pipelines to predict failure. I mean, that might not change the world, but it might save some lives. And reliability of our infrastructure and having sensors in places so that you can choose all that. That's where I see it making a difference, plus also climate science. So, NASA and a lot of other organizations use big data. The other thing that changed, I think, from traditional ways is now even regular enterprises are using external data a lot more because it's available and because they can, whether it's open data or data they bought. And we're now seeing more data sharing so that everyone can do their jobs either less expensively or more reliability or with less risk. And so that's the changes that I see. And that's where, ultimately it's math and data and the technology to let people ask all those questions. But when you describe it as just data and stats, yeah, that doesn't sound that exciting to me. But it's all about the opportunities and, again, being able to ask questions that we wouldn't even have tried to ask before because it would have been too expensive or too impossible.